gonna be. We've got lined up the 119 of Dirty Joe Shipman, the number 293 of Tycat Tyler Cardwell, Bret Peterson out of Yorba Linda, California on the number 6, Austin Tyler on the number 4, Reverend RP, and Columbia Castillo on number 414. It is time Bret Peterson, the king of the hill here tonight. What a huge win and a comeback this weekend for Bret Peterson out of Yorba Linda, California. Not only does he win the ice climb here tonight, he wins that king of the hill.
Yeah.
He's got 2 Boy Scouts. 2 Boy Scouts brought to you by. Wow, we got riders down, guys. Hey, we need to maybe get the medics over there, guys. We got a rider down on the hill.